Hey everyone, just wanted to give you an update. Here's the spinach. A few weeks before harvest, things are looking really good here. Not a lot of pest problems to speak of. I've been using a little bit of Sluggo Plus. Just had one application, and here's a picture of more of it. Things are looking very, very good compared to the straw bales. I do have the straw bales underneath the soil in these, and things are doing very well. Again, using Sluggo Plus on all of these. And this is a different view here. I've got peas, radishes, turnips, spinach, of course, and beets. This will be another view of the spinach. Things are really filling out in here. Really didn't even hope things would be this good after the last attempt, but really impressed with how things have turned out in the soil. Just another view. Spinach is humming right along. And again, I used one application of Sluggo Plus. I did a second application on the spinach, but not on anything else. I haven't seen a lot of pest pressure from slugs. Here are the turnips and the peas that are interplanted here. And I've got a few baby radishes. Just pulled a few out as I was thinning, and their color was so nice I had to take a picture. But these are very, very early French breakfast radishes. Again, not a lot of damage. Look at those leaves, they're very clean. We had a couple of very hot days, a day that was almost a little over 90, and I wanted to get a little shade on these, on the spinach. This was just days before I harvested. And this is just another view of behind that burlap that I have up there. It doesn't give a lot of shade, but it's better than nothing. I'll have to get some proper shade cloth at some point here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that update. It's been a while since I've posted. I've been very busy with school, learning how to kind of plan for production. I certainly don't think I would plant all of those beds in one single crop again next time. I will stagger the spinach, maybe do 8-foot or shorter segments at a time, maybe even 4-foot for the time being. I do have more stuff to share in upcoming videos, but right now I'm focusing on finals and winding down in school so that I can really go all in here. But just wanted to give everyone an update and let you all see what I've been up to, and there's been some amazing success. After what happened with the straw bales, I really didn't expect it to go quite like this. So very very happy with the way things are turning out, and just hope to be able to continue to keep that up as time moves forward here. My cat's saying hi. And with that, I will bid you all adieu.